afternoon. Today we are going to talk about the stress and the skin, the connection between the two. Now, did you know that stress can affect your body, including your hair, nails and skin too? Most of the people think that stress affects only the mental body, but the mental and the physical stress can affect the skin too. The human body is designed to fight against perceived threats. For example, our immune system plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy and protecting us from viruses and the external threats. But sometimes our bodies tend to overreact to the threats which are harmless. So unfortunately, this overreaction can occur with stress, resulting in unwanted skin changes. So what happens is, when the body or the mind is stressed due to real or unreal threats, it produces certain substances and it produces hormones like cortisol. This is a stress hormone, and this hormone is secreted from adrenal glands. Now this hormone is basically secreted by the body to cope on the perceived threat, the perceived stress. But what happens is, our skin also has receptors for this stress hormone. So this activation leads to various changes in our skin, such as increased inflammation, impaired wound healing, more oil and sebum production, impaired resistance to infection. So what are the conditions which are impaired with stress due to this hormone? So due to increased inflammation, the skin changes which occur are acne, hair loss, it can be alopecia areata, hair thinning as in androgenetic alopecia, or it can cause to hair fall as in telogen effluvium, or it can cause eczemas, or it can cause flare up of eczemas. Flare up means it can cause increased in the amount of eczema in the body, on the body. So for example, in atopic dermatitis patients, it causes flare up of eczemas. Then it can cause increase in psoriasis, it can cause increase in acne rosacea, it can cause hives or urticaria, it can also lead to scalp rash, and it can also lead to increase in dandruff. So what can we do to reduce the stress and improve our overall skin health? Now remember that it's okay to be stressed. It's a normal response, correct? So we have to accept that our body is undergoing a stress. Now we have to reduce it. So we have to try and practice relaxation techniques. Like we can do very light yoga, we can do breathing techniques like pranayams, and we can do light exercises which de-stress or calm our body, right? So it should not be in a hush or in a hurry. It should be very slow, and the exercises should be on a regular basis. And all the exercises should be accompanied by yoga and pranayam techniques. So this is the first. Second, you have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of your hygiene. You have to drink a lot of water. You have to bathe daily. You have to take a healthy diet. And sleep in a dark room. Sleep on time. Avoid undue use of mobile phones or tablets during your sleep hours. And try and sleep on time. Now remove all the bright screens like mobiles and tablets while you are going to bed, and wake up at the same time. Now all these practices will help you to formulate a biorhythm or a bioclock. It will streamline your bioclock, and what will happen is, eventually you will feel much healthy, and the skin will also become healthy and glowing. What you can do next is, third is that you can be aware of your nervous habits. Suppose if you are nervous, if you're stressed, sometimes people have a habit of touching here and there on your face, or people have a habit of scratching on the scalp. You should avoid it. Or people have a habit of ticking sometimes. So all these nervous habits should be avoided. Now you should always keep in touch with your loved ones. People who make you happy, you should be in touch with them. You should keep contact with your friends, with your family. You should talk to them about your issues. You should be more vocal. Now, if all these things are done properly and still you feel some stress is there, maybe physical or mental, you should seek medical help. You should seek your doctor, consult with them, or you can seek counselors, right? and you should continue taking care of your skin. You should continue to see your dermatologist for all your queries. Thank you.